Hi guys, Lens here. If your iPhone is stuck in recovery mode and you're trying everything to get this out recovery mode, there's a unique tool that you can use. And I am going to plug in the lightning cable. The phone just detected on the computer using 3U tools. This is a third-party software. It's a quite useful one. So guys, we have two buttons here: exit recovery mode and go flash. So what we're going to do, we're going to exit the recovery mode, and guys, our phone should exit and we should be good. So guys, as you can see, the phone is now on and we are out of the recovery mode. Software detected that we are on the lock screen and I just put in the passcode, and as you can see, we are in the phone. So I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.